Hello and welcome to Nikolay's Biostatistics lessons, and today we are going to talk about set theory. And here's the problem: show the set of complement A intersection with union of the B and C. First, let's define what is a complement of A. So this is going to be everything outside of the circle A. Now let's define what is the union of the B and C. So here is the union. Take a look. This is a union of circle B and C. And now we have to find intersection. That means we have to find which sectors on the first picture intersect with colored sectors on the second picture. For example, this sector is only colored on the first picture, but not colored on the second picture. But this section is colored both on the first picture and the second. So let's also fill this with color. Now let's take a look at this section. It is colored here, it is colored here. So we have to fill with color the section here as well. Now let's take a look at this section. Both here and here, they're filled with color. That means that we also have to fill with color on the third picture. Now take a look. These three sections are not filled with color, but here they filled with color. So we also do not fill with color here, because we only fill with color those that are filled with color on both pictures. And this sector is not filled with color here, not it's filled with color here. That means that we do not fill the sector with color as well. Now imagine that we have following numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So what would be a set of numbers? It's going to be 4, it's going to be 5, and it's going to be 6. So this is how this set is going to look like, and this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.